Judy, and today I will show you how to use ViAir, a portable compressor to add air to your tires. Here, let me take you to my car to demonstrate the process. This is the compressor that I will be using in order to do this process. Here we see the odometer is approaching its way over 40, so I'm going to wait until about 45 psi. So it'll probably be about less than 10 seconds. Alright, it's just about there, so when I'm happy with it, I just turn it off. And then afterwards, you just move the valve hose off, you take it off. And then do not forget to plug back in your cap. It's very important because it's easy to lose your tire pressure again, to decrease the tire pressure again. Okay, and there I have it, my desired tire pressure. That is how you use ViAir. I hope you enjoyed this video.